Hey folks, welcome to our 430th state of the track. This time at Beach 44th Street, Frank Avenue, here at the walkway line. For walkway track. Decent, but needs some attention. It needs attention, especially on that side where we see plants growing out. And let's go to the Manhattan-bound track. That's the design of Beach 44. And as the previous stations done on the Fall Walkway line and Walkway Beach lines, basically has the same design. Here's the Manhattan-bound track. Plants growing, but it needs attention, of course. Of course it needs attention. Look at this. A station on a viaduct needing attention. So this will conclude our stay on the track at Beach 44th Street, Frank Avenue.